Write the conjugate of the complex number 5i by 7 plus I. So given complex number, next rationalize the denominator. That means multiply and divide with 7 minus I. Here plus, so multiply and divide with 7 minus I. So 5i into 7 minus I by here a plus b into a minus b. That means a square minus b square form. 7 5 is 35i minus 5i square by 7 square 49 minus I square equal to minus 1. So minus into minus plus 1. 35i minus 5 and I square equal to minus 1. 49 plus 1 50. Next minus into minus plus 5 35i by 50. Separate the LCM 5 by 50 plus 35 by 50 into I. Cancel 1 by 10 plus 7 by 10 into I. Now conjugate of 5i by 7 plus I is here plus, so here we take minus 1 by 10 minus 7 by 10 I. Simplify I square plus I power 4 plus I power 6 plus so on plus 2n plus 1 terms. So I square plus I power 4 can be I square whole square, I power 6 can be written as I square whole power q3 plus and so on I square power 2n plus 1. So I square plus I power 4 can be written as I square plus I square whole square. Here I square equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. I power 6 plus I power 8 value is also equal to 0. And so on. From this we can say that sum of two consecutive terms is 0. Therefore, the last term is I square whole power 2n plus 1. I square equal to minus 1. Here 2n plus 1 is odd. So minus 1 power odd number is equal to minus 1. Therefore, I square plus I power 4 plus I power 6 and so on plus 2n plus 1 terms equal to minus 1. Write the multiplicative inverse of I power minus 35. I power minus 35 equal to 1 by I power 35. I power 35 can be written as I square whole power 17 into I. That is equal to 1 by I square equal to minus 1 power 17 into I. Minus 1 power odd number 17. So minus 1 power odd number equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into I minus I. Now rationalize the denominator. So multiply and divide with I. So 1 into I minus I into I minus I square, that is equal to I square equal to minus 1 minus into minus plus 1. I by 1 means I. So multiplicative inverse of I. Multiplicative inverse of a plus ib is a minus ib by a square plus b square. So multiplicative inverse of 0 plus 1i equal to 0 minus I. Find the least positive integer n satisfying 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n equal to 1. So 1 plus I by 1 minus I, rationalize the denominator. So 1 plus I into 1 plus I whole square by a square minus b square. So 1 plus I whole square, here I square equal to minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Here a plus b whole square formula. So 1 plus I square equal to minus 1 plus 2i by 2. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, 2i by 2, that means I. So 1 plus I by 1 minus I value is I. So the least positive integer n such that I power n is 4. Since if n equal to 1 means that value is I. N equal to 2 means minus 1. N equal to 3 means minus I. So n equal to 4 only, we get the value 1. So that's why least positive integer n is 4.